So what happened that Fulanis came to Enugu State and butchered the life of people in Enugu State? Nobody talk about it, and no governor condemned this thing that happened to Enugu State recently. And our mama came out to do peaceful protest. The next thing that happened, the government sent the military to arrest our mothers. Our mother that came to do peaceful protest was arrested by Nigerian military. So now what I want to ask you people, these politicians, these governors that give military orders to arrest our mothers that are doing peaceful protests. So you people like waiting Fulani they do in Nigeria. This woman came out to do peaceful protests, how they massacre and they butcher their loved ones. And you people order military to arrest them. So that means that you people are enjoying what is happening in Nigeria. These politicians, listen to me, the hour has come that the judgment of God will start falling upon you people one by one. All these wicked politicians that are sponsoring Fulanis in Nigeria, all these people that are sponsoring Fulanis in Nigeria, the hour has come that the judgment of God will start to fall upon you people. And I want you people to know, all these politicians that are sponsoring, backing these Fulanis in Nigeria, listen to me. Where this blood that these Fulanis has been shed in this country, even the time where you people will leave this earth, this blood will started fighting against your children. Those your children where you send their blood, they go school for blood. Remember, I want you to know that this blood that you people are sponsoring, are sharing in this country, that this blood will fight these children. Your blood will fight these children. And even in your generation, So make you people not think that all this thing you people are doing, that you people are free. No, we are not free at all. We are not free at all. The anger of God is upon your family. So the time has come. The anger of God will start fighting on. I want to tell President Mohamed Buhari and the governor of Enugu State, Governor Ogwanye, I give you people 24 hours to release our mothers. I give you people 24 hours to release our mothers that came out to do peaceful protest. They lost their children. They lost their husband. They lost their brother and their sister. Mohamed Buhari, governor of Enugu State, I give you people 24 hours to release our mothers. I give you people 24 hours to release our mothers. If you people refuse to do so, una no go sleep at night. Sleep will come out from una eye. Una no go sleep at night. Listen to me. From now going on, things will start happening in Nigeria. From now going on, things will start happening in Nigeria. Listen, I know your plan is to Islamize this nation, but you will see how God will defeat these Fulanis and Boko Haram in Nigeria. You people will see how God will defeat them very soon. I pray for these people. I pray for this country. I pray for this country. I pray for this. Oh Lord, I pray this country, they have shed a lot of innocent blood in this country. Father, as in the days of David and Goliath, Goliath equipped himself with weapons. But David don't have any weapon, only catapult where David have. And David used this catapult to defeat Goliath. Lord, I pray, because these people, our politicians are sponsoring these Fulanis, both foreigners, they are using strong weapons to fight, to defeat your children. Lord, I pray from now going on in this country, from now going on. Any stage and any village that Fulani go, those villagers will start from now to defeat them in the name of Jesus. The hour has come, they will start to defeat them in the name of Jesus. No matter the weapon they have, no matter if the community, if only catapult they have, they will use that catapult, they will use that stick, any weapon they have, from now going on, they will use that weapon to defeat Fulanis in Nigeria. And go and tell Britain, if you people set us on fire here in Nigeria, know that there will not be peace in United Kingdom. As you people set us on fire, put us on fire, as you people brought disaster in Nigeria, there will not be peace in Britain. United Kingdom, there will not be peace. Look at what you people are caused in this Nigeria, Africa.